So today we will going to start one new logo designing, so which will take from one fake website. So there is some requirement is mentioned, just we have to take it there and we just have to design in ourselves. So first of all, so what you need to do, so we have to search their fake brief. So in here you have to choose the logo. Let me open my microphone. So you have to connect the you have to choose the logo here. So then we have to go to that like industry, you can choose the random. So I got some like company name, logo description. So let me choose this one, lighthouse. So take a screenshot of that. Okay, so then I need to open my sketchbook. So in that here I need to post that image. So let start on that brief on that image. So before going to create, you have to choose the template dotted or grid. So dotted is kind of like we can design more specific logo on that, and there will be no things and no gap on that. So so first we have to read there. So this is the company name they have mentioned. This is the lighthouse company name. Okay, just remember we have to this thing. So then we are going to read the description here. Make the high school curriculum of learning maths. Okay, so here I can say, so math is very important here, learning maths, because they will specific they will learn on the math. So then there is world class export, and they will teach only the women's. Okay, these three things we have to notice here. So based on that we have to make the logo. And okay, so and the logo color they have made it red, and the company website they can use, and based on that they can use their use cases also. Okay, so these 6 things we have to remember, and we have to note down these things, and then we can start our logo here. So let me open one more new sketch here. So and okay, so first we have to note the company name. Okay, so let me remove here details. Okay, zoom it just a little bit. Okay, so my company name is the lighthouse. Okay, so lighthouse is my logo, like the company name. So inside that we have to note it down some points, like that they will specific teach on the math only. So I will write it on math also. And the next things they will teach only the women's. Okay, this is specific for women's. And the third things, it will be the red color. Okay, the logo will be the red color designing. Okay, fine. So these 3 things we have to make sure like while creating the logo, so these 3 will be there. Okay, so okay, let's start on the logo designing here. So okay, so first the math, they will teach women, the logo will be the red. Okay, so first you have to write the company name here, because the based on the name only they will design the logo. Okay, so first is the light and second is the house. Okay, so they have merged the two I can say the 2 words they have merged. Okay, so the light, and that will be the math specific subject they will teach, and they have some okay, if they are designing of the math means though, that will be the like the character, every character will be the designing, like you can see the digital meter, right? So in the digital meter how the shape will be of each number, so that kind of I am designing. So we'll go step by step, like whatever the things is coming to our mind, so we'll just designing and go further. Okay, so I think that will be not look good. So what we can do here, so okay, okay, so we have some designing like book. So there will be book open, this is the page, like reverse of the L, then I is the book, middle of the book, and the G, half of the G I have taken. Okay, so then the lighthouse. Okay, so this is, we can say this is our logo here, like this is open book I can say. Okay, so let me open new sketch. There I will design the perfectly, so that you will get some more clarity on that. Okay, so first we'll make the L as a reverse, like okay, so this is the page, it will be open, so then the I will be some kind of the bold, and then the G will be there. So G is kind of the open, like this is the back side of the book, and this is when we are opening that book, so that book will be some page will be this side, so some page will be that side, and middle there is some points, right? So that middle I can take it the I, and the left side is L and the right side is G. And the next this is kind of the book, you can see it here. And the next is the same other letter we can make like some kind of curve structure, because the first L and G we make it the back book is open, so other character we can make it the curve here. So I have made it curve, so it's also T O U S. S will be this kind of some curve structure, so S and E. So I think this is not look good, so we have to think in other way, because they will use this logo in their companies and their books also they can use their banners, and also the institute other things they can use this logo. So this is not looking good, so we just have to design like this. This is coming as a book, and the LIG and HTHOUSA, there will be nothing. Okay, so we have to designing the logo that will be based on the all letters. Okay, so that design will cover all the letters, because right now whatever we have designed, this is only the 3 letters it is covering, and also this is not like the other person they cannot read properly. So just make again, I need to write the lighthouse. So this designing is we cannot choose, because of this is not looking good, and other people also they cannot like recognize what the first 3 letters. Okay, so this is the lighthouse. What we can do here, we can make it T as a some lighthouse, means there will be light in top of the house. You can see in a beach area you can see kind of lighthouse, so that kind of structure we can design here. And in the top of the lighthouse we can design one just some kind of university, if you graduate they will get some cap and all, right? So that kind of things we'll design here. So let me make one a lighthouse here. Okay, okay, so have to make the lighthouse here. Okay, so in that lighthouse we have to make in top of that we can make the what we can say, that cap symbol. So like after gadget what you are getting, so this I can make it as bold. Okay, so okay, this is looking like L, right? So instead of T we can take the L, because T is coming the middle of that lighthouse, right? So we can take first letter of that light L. So I can take the L as first letter, and in that L I am just converting to the lighthouse. Okay, and remaining letter will be the same, like easily unknown person can understand, and unknown person can read the full like the letter. Okay, make it as black, and quickly I am doing it here. Okay, so this is look like L, right? So yeah, so next will be, okay, this is the L, and the remaining will be the I, G, H, T, H, O, U, S, A. Okay, so the let me back it again. So okay, so remaining I, G, H, T, O, U, S, A, just simply I am typing here. Okay, so why I choose the grid structure here, like the grid template, because you'll see whatever I am writing here, so that will be perfectly aligned. Okay, so that you can see the I here and the G, the remaining it will come the H here. So the all letter it will be the parallel it is coming, there will be no like difference between. So okay, thus this H is getting very big, so I'm just converting to the small. Okay, oh okay, the all letter we can make it as a square, because the lighthouse we are making it kind of square structure, so all these things will become as square. Okay, so this is, we can say this is our final designing. Also if you think more, then you will get more idea about that. So also we cannot use all the words, and we can use in the one logo also we can show the all letters like lighthouse. But the thing is, this is looking good. I'm just quickly drawing it here. And the first we have to remember, after the completing the logo, that need to be the red color as they have mentioned in their requirement. Okay, so like that one. Okay, here I'm using the sketch tool. Okay, so first this is the lighthouse on top. I'm making it black, but it should be the red color. Why I am making it black? So in the next session we can make it this logo in the Photoshop, so that time we can consider about the colors. So as of now we are just making in the sketch. So if you don't have this kind of tab iPad for designing this, though you can use the paper pen also, paper and pencil, so that it will be more easily we can do. So then you can move to the tablet, so there will be no issue. Okay, so like the lines, and inside that line we have to one by one I just giving the green color, but that color will be, as of now the color will be not matter, because in the next like further we are just removing these colors and we are making all these things in the red. Okay, so I'm just giving the border of the image like the logo, that will be red color logo. Okay, 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 okay. So the more you will think, so you will get more idea about that, like how the design is. So all the letter, as I told, all the letter I'll make it as square kind of things. Okay, so then and further if I'll go to the Photoshop, so in the Photoshop all the letter I can use